Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt Atomic Compact series. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yeah, this is the DeWalt Atomic Compact series. If you guys don't know what this is, DeWalt has three different series. It has the, well, not the series, it has three different tiers. They got the brushed. Yes, I had a comment on one of my videos just recently that this tool sucks, that does not cut anything but soft wood or baseboard molding. Just to let you know, you are completely wrong. This is a very powerful tool. I will show that this tool will cut metal, wood, and pretty much everything that you put in it. It'll definitely cut it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video, you know, which is like the consumer grade, and they got the Atomic, which is middle grade, pretty much prosumer level, you know, DIY, prosumer level, or professional. You can use these Atomic on professional level tools on the professional field. And then they do have the XR, which is strictly professional. So they got the DCS354B, oscillations per minute, 0 to 18,000 OPM. It says tool length 11.2 inches. It says tool weight 2.3 pounds. It says includes a DCS354 oscillating multi-tool with wood blades and fast cut wood blade, universal accessory adapter. Let's see here, what else. You got a 3-year warranty, 1-year free service, and 90-day money back guarantee. Obviously, you got some instructions. We got some blades. I don't know if you guys no, but we got some blades and some adapters, maybe for the oscillating. Stuck in there. Alright, so we got, looks like we got an adapter here for the different types of blades. And then we have another adapter here with the, maybe an O-ring or something like that. So we'll see what those are for. The first one is, what is this? DeWalt HCS is like a multi-material, and then this is a metal blade basically. So let's take out the multi-material. Stuck. So there you go. This is a DeWalt blade HCS. All right. So this is a DeWalt 20V brushless, 20V max brushless, right there. You got a 4-prong connector there. You got some literature here at the bottom, which says DeWalt batteries. Used with DeWalt batteries only. It says Industrial Tool Company, Towson MD, made in Mexico. So this is made in Mexico. You got DFT62HJ. Alright, you got a lock and a lock button. You got, all this is rubber, all this black part is rubber. You got a nice paddle switch here. Now this is a really nice switch here. You can press this side or this side, whichever side you wanna press, so it is dual. You got an LED light here on the front, as you guys see there. And the most important feature about this tool is one of the reasons why I bought it, because I'm upgrading from my old Ryobi, from my old tool. This is a toolless blade change. So you squeeze this lever and you pretty much, you know, can get the blade out or whatnot. Is that, how do you change the blades? Basically you squeeze it. So you guys see that, you guys see that gap? You guys have to stick this in there. Sorry, my hand is shaky. Once you get it locked in there, you're pretty much good to go. It's locked in there. That's a great feature to have. It's probably one of the best features that a tool like this has. My guess is this for a different blade or a different adapter. I'm not going to be using this, so in case you want to put like a different type of blade, we got a blade in there. We're going to be doing a cut, see how this performs. And we got a 4 amp hour battery. It's 3 bars. This is already loose. Alright, we're going to do another one right here. And then do another one here. And another one here. So you guys do see it works really good. I really like this feature where you a one-handed pretty much blade change there. So we'll get a piece of metal and try this out with a piece of metal. Alright, we're going to be changing the blade. We got a metal blade, bimetal. Pretty simple. Alright, we're just going to be doing a cut here. Alright, it's a really great tool. I really like it. It's a big improvement from my last one. My last one wasn't a quick blade change. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.